Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two powerful AI tools, Ollama versus ChatGPT, and answering the big question, which one is actually better? Let's break it down in a simple way so you can decide what's best for you. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is one of the most popular AI tools in the world right now. It's super easy to use. You just open it in your browser or app and start chatting. No setup, no coding, nothing complicated. The biggest advantage of ChatGPT is its power and convenience. It can help you write scripts, generate ideas, solve coding problems, and even create content for YouTube. Plus, it runs in the cloud, so you don't need a powerful computer. But here's the catch. ChatGPT needs an internet connection, and some advanced features are paid. Now let's talk about Ollama. Ollama is completely different. It lets you run AI models locally on your own computer. That means your data stays private, and you don't need the internet once it's set up. Sounds amazing, right? But there's a trade-off. Ollama is not beginner-friendly. You need some technical knowledge to install and run models. Also, your computer needs to be powerful. Otherwise, the performance can be slow. So in simple terms, ChatGPT equals easy, powerful, beginner-friendly. Ollama equals private, offline, but technical. Now the big question, which one should you use? If you're a beginner, content creator, or just want fast and reliable results, ChatGPT is the better choice. But if you care about privacy, want full control, and don't mind a bit of setup, then Ollama is worth trying. It depends on your needs. Personally, I recommend starting with ChatGPT and then exploring Ollama when you're more advanced. So yeah, that's the comparison. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.